Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer your stocks to Robinhood. If you're tired of high fees or just want to enjoy Robinhood's sleek app and commission-free trading, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First off, why transfer stocks? Robinhood makes investing accessible and straightforward, especially for beginners. But before you begin, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up. If not, download the app and create one quickly. You'll also need an account at your current brokerage where your stocks are held. This process typically involves an automated customer account transfer (ACAT) service, which is standard for most brokers. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the Account section, usually found in the menu. Look for an option like Transfers or Add Funds. Once you're there, select Transfer Stocks or Brokerage Transfer. Next, you'll need to enter the details from your current brokerage. This includes your account number, the type of account, like individual or joint, and the exact stocks or assets you want to move. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Accuracy is key here. Robinhood will then guide you through linking your accounts. You might have to authorize the transfer from your old broker, which could involve a verification code or email confirmation. Keep in mind, transfers aren't instant. They can take anywhere from a few days to a week, depending on the brokers involved. Also, be aware of potential fees. Some brokerages charge for outgoing transfers, so check that beforehand to avoid surprises. Once the transfer is initiated, monitor your Robinhood account for updates. You'll get notifications when it's complete. Pro tip: after the transfer, review your portfolio to ensure all stocks have arrived safely. And there you have it. That's how you transfer stocks to Robinhood. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's support team is usually helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next video.